Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy digital assets on PDAX mobile app. First, log into your PDAX account. After that, go to Trade. You will then see more than 20 pairs. Just select your preferred trading pair like XRP PHP, BTC PHP, BCH PHP, and as for me, I will select XRP PHP. Now, you will see two toggles, the basic and advanced. If you want to buy XRP immediately at the current market price, you can convert your Philippine peso into XRP under the basic toggle. But if you wish to buy a digital asset for a price that is lower than the market price, you go ahead to advanced and place a limit buy order. See, for example, the market price of XRP is 20 pesos and 38 cents and you want to buy it for a lower price like 19.5 or 18 pesos. No problem with that. Just specify the quantity, the amount, and place your order. But take note, a limit order is triggered only when the price you specified is being reached. So if you want to buy an asset right now without having to wait, you will place a market buy order. So, tips before you place a buy or sell order. Make sure that you have transferred the funds that you will use to trade from primary wallet to your exchange wallet. Also, please make it a habit to always check the market price on the chart before making the transaction. Buy low, sell high. That's how we make profits, right? So here I'm going to confirm my order. So I'm buying XRP and the current price is 20 pesos and 39 cents. Now it's a success. So it's real time because I'm buying the market price. So I hope you find this video helpful and please do give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, clarifications, please leave a comment down below and I'm willing to answer those questions for you. This has been Recreational TV. Have a great day.